Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Have your Hoyoverse email, password, and phone ready before you begin linking. Update the game or app to the latest version in your device store. Close other apps to improve stability during the process and avoid network interruptions. Enable 2FA or two-step verification if your account currently enforces extra security. Make sure your device has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection with at least 2 bars. Prepare to receive a 6-digit email or SMS code within 10 minutes. Open the User Center from the game main menu and tap Account Management. Select Link Account and then choose Hoyoverse account from the listed platforms. Enter your Hoyoverse email and password exactly as they appear, paying attention to case. Tap Send Code and wait for the 6-digit verification code to arrive by email or SMS. Enter the 6-digit verification code into the field and press Confirm to complete linking. You will see a success message and the linked account listed immediately. Verify the linked account appears under Linked Accounts in User Center after confirmation. If the account does not appear, restart the app and check your network connection. If you do not receive a code, check spam and allow up to 10 minutes before retrying. For mismatched email errors, confirm the email registered to your Hoyoverse account exactly. If two-step verification blocks linking, temporarily disable 2FA, then retry and re-enable it afterward. Contact in-app support or use feedback with screenshots for persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.